If you can't afford the Apple Watch, but you want people to believe you're wearing one, then the T500 Plus is just the smartwatch for you. Granted, there are a few things that give the T500 Plus away as a cheap smartwatch, apart from the price, of course. At first glance, or when you pick up the T500 Plus, the weight and the feel of the watch face give off premium vibes. Everything seems well made, except the belts, which are clearly plastic and feel cheap. But the only time anyone would see it is when they are up close. The belts also come in a variety of colors, which makes it easy to blend the smartwatch with your wardrobe. The gear lever on the side just slides for no reason, like it's not connected to anything inside. It works as a button, but when you press it though, initially I thought it was my particular device, but it turns out it affects every T500 Plus. Leave a comment down below if yours is doing the same thing or not. When you switch on the T500 Plus, that's when you see why the device costs less than $20. The user interface clearly got its inspiration from the Apple Watch, but the implementation on the T500 Plus makes it look cheap. That is also exacerbated by the low resolution LCD display, which makes the icons look pixelated. Obviously, at this price range, you cannot expect an OLED display. With the size of the watch face, you would think they could have utilized the space to make the screen a bit bigger. The lack of that detail is clearly seen when the watch is on or when you view the watch at an angle. Their marketing material, on the other hand, says otherwise. The T500 Plus comes with all the features you can expect on a smartwatch, like heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, distance, and steps measurement. I've had instances where I'm driving and it congratulates me on reaching my step goals for the day. Obviously, we cannot talk about the features without talking about the Hryfine app. I can confirm it works perfectly on Android and iOS devices. It does a decent job in tracking daily activities. When you first set it up, the number of permissions it asks for can put many off. But if you come past that, you'll come to find many decent features, like app notifications. You can also change or customize your face from the app. With app notifications, when you allow your selected apps to send you notifications, your T500 Plus will vibrate. This is perfect because it means less time picking up your smartphone. The vibration motor is not the best though, but all this comes at the cost of battery. Talking about the battery life, the T500 Plus has great battery life. I've gone for about a week on one charge, which takes about an hour to charge. This is with me getting constant notifications and a lot of screen time. But it's not only the T500 Plus battery you have to worry about. Your phone's battery as well also takes a hit because the Bluetooth must stay on for the device to send you notifications. So look out for that as well. In conclusion, if you don't have the budget for a decent smartwatch, then the T500 Plus is ideal for you. It has the basic features you need in a smartwatch. If you have a bit more cash, I would steer you towards Xiaomi smart bands, which I feel can give you a bit more value. So if you're using the T500 Plus, how's been your experience with it? If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, see you in the next video.